channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. I hope you stick around and watch some more of my videos and subscribe. Today's Friday. Whoop whoop. Just kidding. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of this intro. There is nothing happening today. Absolutely nothing. It's a free day. So I thought I'd film my empties video. But I want to do my makeup. But I also don't want to do my makeup, you know? It's freezing outside. I'll insert a clip now of how cold it actually is. You guys, when I tell you it's cold, I'm not even kidding. Like, let me show you. You see that? Do you see that? That's a fountain. It usually flows with water. It's frozen. Literally, the sun is out and it's still icicle. It's been like that for the entire morning. It is to 10, I believe, 25 to 22. It's still frozen, solid, wild. That's all I have for you today. Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess that's all I have for you today. Maybe I'll come back and show you. Should we do our makeup together? Let's.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless.
Okay, so this is my eye look. I don't love it, but it's fine. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera so I can finish because it's almost 12 o'clock now. So yeah, I'll see you guys the final results. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I just feel like I have way too much makeup on my face. I used a different foundation. I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it feels so thick on my skin. Anyway, this is the finished product. I think I'm gonna do a glossy lip, honestly, but I still have to eat, so I'm like, that's gonna take it off. But not having the gloss is still gonna take it off, so because it's not matte, it's a satin duo. So yeah, pretty yellow. Don't know what's happening with the lights, but this is us. I'm gonna go eat now. Hi everyone, so today's Saturday, and I just wanted to show you quickly. I'm not vlogging today. My nephew's here. Tintin, you want to come say hi?
Hi. Please say anyone.
Hi everyone. Yeah, come say hi everyone. Come. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Oh. Okay, so we went to go do our hair for the first time since this level 4 situation. Actually, since way before that too. And the lady that does our hair is in the south, so we went past the Chinatown there to go restock. How exciting. Let me tell you the story. Hi. So I've been on the hunt for these sorry. I've been on the hunt for this ramen for a very long time, and there's a store that's like 5 minutes away from the house. It's a restaurant, and the guy sold it before for $135, right? At this Chinatown that I usually buy from, they sell it for $120 for a pack of 5. So this guy had them for $135, and then they sold out, and then he got them back, and he changed the price from $135 to $250 or $260. And so I was like, no. So we went to go do our hair today, and I popped into this Chinatown to check if they had stock, and they did. So let me show you. So I got these 3 packets. These 2 are normal carbonara. I've had these ones before. That's why I bought 2 of them. Then I bought 1 of these cream carbonara. Hopefully it's not nicer than these, because I'll be so upset. But she had tons of stock of every flavor, and she had like flavors in individual packets as well, which she sells for like 25 bucks. So happy. So yeah, I'm stocked for quite some time now. So I am gonna go watch some TV, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday, probably Monday. Good morning, everyone. Today's Monday. I know. I just wanted to start the vlog in case I did decide to vlog, and it's my day to cook today, so I don't know what I'm cooking, and if it's something interesting I might show you. But yeah, I just wanted to start off the vlog before I go down. So let's see what we get up to. Hi everyone, sorry about the loud noise. I'm defrosting some beef, but I am attempting to make dumplings for the first time ever. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you along. I'm gonna make dumplings. The recipe that I'm using is from Dine with Neville. It's on her Instagram. It's in one of her highlights. I'm gonna make that, and then we'll see. Hopefully the dough rises and everything goes smoothly. But yeah, I'm gonna make the dough. I'm gonna show you what I do, and if I mess up I'll probably show you that too. But yeah, while the meat is defrosting, I'm gonna start on the dough. So let's go. My hair's up because I'm cooking.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. I'll be around. Yeah. You're not scared of love, just scared of love. Alright, alright, enough. Just tell me if you want my love or not, or not. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, yeah. So I'm gonna let you go.
Okay, so there is the dumpling dough. I'm leaving it out there to rise for about an hour. They say to put it in a warm place, and I figured the sun was pretty warm. While the dumpling is rising, I am going to make my butternut. I'm gonna put some butter, some sugar, and a teeny bit of water and let that boil. This is zero fuss. And then after that, I am probably gonna start cooking my beef.
Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one. No, still a million miles from you. So I'm gonna let you go. You go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
So I'm done with the vegetable prep now. Now I'm gonna brown the meat and then we'll get the dough back.
What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets cold.
Okay, sorry about the kettle, but this is the meat so far. I just added it to the tomato and stock soup. Not soup, like gravy that I had going. It's like tomato and some beef stock and some onions and spices. So now I'm gonna add water to this and let it boil for about an hour or so. And the dumplings in this pot that I'm not supposed to open. Fixed. Let's finish off the meat. Okay, you guys, I don't know if I showed you, but I finished the butternut quite some time ago. The dumpling has risen really nicely. It is not finished yet. I hope it doesn't sink, but I did open it an hour later, so hopefully we're good. Butternut had like literally a pinch of cinnamon. I want it to be an afterthought, not the main attraction. And then this is the stew. I added the potatoes and the carrots after an hour of cooking. So it looks pretty good. It looks like exactly what I was craving. I've never made this dish before. The only thing in this dish that I've made before is butternut. I don't usually cook beef or lamb. I always cook chicken or pasta, which usually has chicken in it, or mince. but never steer. This is my first time, and I think I did okay. I did have help from Dine with Noah, but you know, I think we did alright. We'll show you the finished product. Should I show you some of the, let me check. Should I show you? Wait, this is just an empty pot with water in it. There we go. It didn't sink. I'm gonna let it steam a little bit more. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that is this meal. It's a very Sunday meal on a Monday. But we don't cook on Sundays, so I'm making up for yesterday. How good does that look? Okay, you guys, so it is 13 minutes past 5. This is the finished product. I just put some soup in here to thicken. Well, the sauce was kind of finished, so it just kind of made a gravy for the meat. Really nice. It tastes amazing. Butternut is finished. I showed you that. The dumpling is finished as well. So I'm gonna dish this up so that I'm not late for my class.
You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
We wanted to see the inside. Sorry, that was close. Here's the inside of the dumpling. Looks pretty good. Okay, so this is the finished product. We have the beef stew, butternut, and the dumpling. And everyone got the same thing.
There's a spark